Hello traders, thanks for watching this trading tutorial. Today we'll talk about Forex Confluence trading strategy. If you are wondering what Confluence trading is, today you will find out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment right below this video. Don't forget to like this video. Please read the risk disclaimer before we'll talk about Confluence trading. Please email support if you have maybe more questions about subscription, about services, and also you can access the link posted right below this video to become a VIP member, to have access to all our VIP content, trades, trade management, tutorials, webinars, and also you can use this code, this coupon 21 off to get a 21% discount. So I will first of all I will use an example here on DAX 30. So Confluence trading when you are using maybe more than one tool, maybe more than one indicator, maybe price action with Fibonacci, with pitchfork, with price action, with fundamentals or something to identify maybe a new direction, a reversal, an upside movement, a downside movement, an exhaustion. So let's take an example here on the German stock index. So an important growth here within an up channel, but here you can see that the price failed to approach to retest the upside line of this channel. That's why also we can use marked. You can see that we had something like bearish divergence. Maybe it was the first signal that maybe the DAX 30 could turn to the downside. But Confluence trading, it's about using more than one tool to identify maybe trading opportunities, reversal, exhaustions or something. Bearish divergence here after its failure to approach to reach the upside line of this channel, right? DAX 30 has increased here as much as 16,335, something like a sideways movement, something like a range here, a range pattern, right? Downside breakout after this bearish. Right, so after a bearish divergence, here we had something like a bearish engulfing, signaling that the buyers are exhausted, signaling that maybe the price could drop. Breakdown here from this range, retest of 16,246, yeah. And also personally I've drawn here a major descending pitchfork, sorry, one moment. So 1, 2 and 3 guys here. So you can see that my upper medium line of the major descending pitchfork represents dynamic resistance. So temporary drop, retest maybe here, false breakout. The price has printed this bearish engulfing here after bearish divergence, breakdown from this range, here retest, and then it has escaped also from this channel. It has registered a breakdown through the uptrend line. So all these are represented signals maybe that the buyers are exhausted, that the price is exhausted overbought, and that the price of DAX 30 could turn to the downside. So this is Confluence trading, guys. When you are using maybe more than one tool, more than one indicator, price action, trading tools, maybe fundamentals to identify maybe reversals or something, or downside movements, upside movements, right? So this is Confluence trading. And also maybe personally I can use something like this also here, 1, 2 and 3. You can see this minor descending pitchfork. If you want, drop, retest, drop towards the medium line where it has found the temporary support, retest of the broken former low here, and then breakdown, and it has dropped it right below the 23.6 towards the lower medium line of the minor descending pitchfork. So this is Confluence trading, guys. Let's take another example. Maybe let's take a look here on on the British pound versus the Japanese yen, because it's important for you to understand how to use Confluence trading in Forex, on commodities, maybe cryptocurrencies, indexes. So let's take a look here. So you can see that the price, the British pound versus Japanese yen, has registered a strong upwards movement, but here we had something like a corrective phase. Let's first of all maybe use one moment. Let's use a Fibonacci retracement here. You can see that the price has decreased as much as here, as much as 152.38. It has reached the 61.8 retracement level, tested and retested this level before jumping higher. But you can also see here that we had a key level, 152.57, right? So maybe from here, after this downside movement correction, you wanted maybe to go long, so you needed strong confirmation, bullish maybe pattern or something, so before considering going long here. So here in the short term, maybe we had also, so the price reached the 61.8, the 152.57, but also the price, if you'll use also an indicator, relative strength index this time, you can see here that the price section and also this indicator has have signaled something like a bullish divergence this time, yeah, lower lows, yeah, and the higher lows here on the RSI, but here also maybe we can use something like this, a descending pitchfork here. A descending pitchfork here on this last downside maybe movement here, retest of the lower medium line. It has jumped above the medium line, and here very important, after reaching the 61.8, after reaching 152.57, it has registered this candle here. So also you can use the price action. So this is Confluence trading, guys. When using more than one tool, technical tools, indicators, strategies to identify maybe something like a reversal, right? And this candle here, false breakdown with great separation below all these, below the upper medium line, below 152.57, below the 61.8, had signaled that maybe the price could turn to the upside in the short term, right? Also this this bullish divergence signaled that maybe the British pound versus the Japanese yen could turn to the upside. So this is Confluence trading, guys. When you are using more than one tool, indicators, also price action strategies to identify maybe oversold situations, overbought, like in DAX 30, exhaustions, reversals. So you can use all these in further trading. This Confluence trading will help you to identify strong maybe buying opportunities, strong selling opportunities, because you are using more strategies that will show you the same thing, that maybe you will have a reversal or something, maybe that the price will move in the opposite direction, or it will move in the same direction. Thank you guys for watching this trading tutorial. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I'm waiting for your comments right below this video. I'm waiting for suggestions. Maybe if you want me to record a new trading tutorial on a specific maybe topic. Also, don't forget to like this video. Learn to trade. Visit our website. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram for more content, VIP content or something, and don't forget to access the link posted right below this video. Learn to trade Forex signals to become a VIP member. Thank you, guys.